Hi guys, so I'm just picking up on our last vlog. Last time we were trying to get the pre-registration chat with a cast member for the DAS Pass. Haven't been successful so far, but I just decided to kind of pick up where we last left off. I'm actually doing some laundry right now, so hopefully you guys can hear me. I do plan to do several videos about our actual plans because I don't think I've done an actual concrete plan video. Not sure. Packing video, it's especially this time, I think it's going to be really interesting having my daughter take her service dog for the first time on a trip like that. We've never traveled with Russell on a airplane, so that's kind of interesting. I'm honestly very nervous. I'm a very anxious person as it is. I cannot even imagine what she's going through. But this time I think I'm putting together a few cute outfits, and oh my goodness. Oh, sorry, I'm getting a message. Oh my goodness, I found so many cute outfits that I didn't think I would be able to find in my size, and that was cute, and that it wouldn't be too expensive. And hopefully next time you see me, I have better news, like we were able to set up the virtual chat, or how the process was, something besides I'm not able to. So thanks so much for watching. Until now, we'll keep watching because hopefully we find a solution for this. So I'm going to continue doing my laundry and then probably record another video or rest because I do have a really bad headache. So all right, see you in a bit. Hi guys, so today is day 5 of attempting again to register or pre-register for the DAS Pass. So we're gonna go ahead and try that again. I'm not sure if I will be able to, but I'm going to try. So I just logged in right now. I don't have that much time I have a little less than an hour to be able to wait because I have something important to do in like around 7:30. So I have a limited amount, but I figured I would just try just in case we do get through. My daughter's here. It's gonna be really tough, I'm telling you, like for people that, like if it was just myself, I had the flexibility of doing it because I work from home. But let's say people that need to be with the person that needs to have the DAS Pass needs to be there. Let's say, you know, they work or they're ill or they're just at a different location from somebody that can help them register for it. It's just a little bit tougher. I think hopefully it's just because there's a lot of people trying to do it and it's slowing people down, like the cast members down, the customer service agents. But if it keeps going like that, it's going to be really tough. I think thankfully we could still do it in person. It was just nice to have it set up ahead of time to not have to worry about that. But we'll see what happens. So as you can see, we started just now. It is 6:39. I've been on hold for just a few minutes, but that's what I have going on right now. So today is day 5, 6, I have lost count, of attempting to do the DAS Pass pre-registration. Today we were a little late because, of course, daughter needs to be here in order to register. And so since she was here a little late, we started a little late. So I honestly don't have any high hopes because it's almost time for them to close. So realistically, I'm expecting I'm sorry, try again another day because we're not going to get to you today. But I have to keep trying. Again, they closed the conversation because apparently they have a lot of people waiting, blah, blah, blah. Still about 12 minutes till actual closing time, but okay, I guess I'm really frustrated. It's been over 24, it's probably now 30 hours total since day 1 till day 5, 6, I lost count, of me trying to register for the DAS Pass virtual chat. Honestly, at this point, I don't see ourselves getting it anytime soon. I think next time I'm going to try on a cell phone and see if it's for some reason quicker instead of doing it on a laptop. I don't see why, but you know, it doesn't hurt to try. I'm just really getting really annoyed. Really annoyed. And there's my daughter and her dog. They couldn't care less. What are you doing?
Instagram.
What are you doing on Instagram?
Posting for my dog.
Oh yeah, show them your dog's Instagram. Her service dog has a Instagram.
Yeah, you know, he manages it and all.
Yeah.
Subscribers than anything else.
So what is it that you do on, what's the purpose of your dog's Instagram? Hold on, because it's trying to focus. What's the purpose of your dog's Instagram?
Well, it's kind of a mix.
A mix of what?
Like between awareness for service dogs and just goofies, like.
Just goofy pictures? What's your favorite picture that you have on there of Russell? So we could give him a little quick preview.
This one. So cuties. Oh.
Oh dear.
Come on, he's a cowboy.
So you guys can go and visit her Instagram. It's at My Service Dog Life. And you will see a whole bunch of Russell.
Yeah.
Are you going to be documenting his first Disney World trip?
Yes, I will actually try going live as well.
Oh, would you look at that? So go subscribe so you guys don't miss little service dog Russell life over there.
All he does is sleep and he manages his own Instagram.
All right, well, this is good night for today, and we'll try again another time. This is day 7, I believe, of attempting to get the DAS pass. I'm about to register. I'm about to hit start, so hopefully this time... You know what? I'm just going to stop saying hopefully. I'm just going to see what happens. The default message that we always get. Once again, the conversation was ended by the agent before it even started. And once again, it is about 16 minutes before their last call, or before they close, which is 10. This is Central Time, and their closing is 10 p.m. Eastern Time. After this immediately pops up a survey. I, of course, put that I am very dissatisfied every single time, because in the past whole week that I've been trying, they keep hanging up. So very upsetting. Oh my goodness. It finally paid off. I logged on this morning for the DAS pass before 8:30, and it is now 5:48, and I just finished chatting with the cast member, and we got it. We got through. It's like it took me less than 20 minutes, I think. I would say the maximum 30-40 minutes. And I've been waiting not just today, but a total of over 40 hours. I lost count, between 2 weeks, and finally it paid off. So if anything I could share with you guys, and I'm sorry if I look horrible, I am sick. Hopefully you guys can hear me. But if anything I could suggest is to leave your browser up. If possible, do it from like a mobile device that you could carry with you if you have to go out. Log on early in the morning, because I think they go in the order that you arrive at the queue. And so the later you try to initiate the chat, and so then you're going to be down lower in the queue. So by the time it's time to close the chats, or them to stop receiving calls, which is 10 p.m., then by that time you are already too far down the queue. So if anything, is log on early as possible. For any reference, today is a Sunday, and I did log on, like I said, before 8:30 Central Time, which was 9:30 Florida time, and they start doing the chats at 7 a.m. So grateful. Did it in advance. A couple things. Well, if you guys have more questions about whatever I can share with you, whatever I can share with you guys, go ahead. And leave questions and then I can address them in a future video. Plus, then that way I can actually talk. But finally, we got it. We are through. We're all set. It's feeling official. So, since we have all of this nice and set up, we're almost ready. So just subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on the future planning videos and our actual vlogs, which should be done shortly. I have a few videos ready to queue up, and I will be sharing, for example, some of our pre-trip haul, things that we need for our vacation, for our stay at the resort, for Russell, for my daughter. Russell is her service dog. So just stay tuned, subscribe, share this video with everybody, like it, comment, and
Russell
then we'll...
has an Instagram.
Oh, yes, my daughter wants me to remind you guys that Russell does have an Instagram. If you guys want to go follow Russell's adventure, it'll be his first time going to Disney World. What's your dog's handle? I'll put it
My
here.
Service Dog Life.
So it'll be right here. It's at Instagram, My Service Dog Life, and that's where you see Russell. He'll be wearing a little... I'll put the picture here. But anyways, go follow them over there. And also Diz Travel Duo, that's our actual Disney page on Instagram. So go follow us and subscribe here. And anyways, thanks so much for watching and coming on this super long adventure for the DAS Pass. See you at the next one.